What's up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, we are going to be unbagging our Liveglam for the month of November 2020. So if you want to know what it's all about, then just go ahead and keep on watching. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you can be part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so let's jump right into it. So I just got my little bag and I have not opened it at all yet. So I do notice that the bag is pink this month, and pink is one of my favorite colors as well. I honestly really love a bunch of colors in the rainbow. So this little bag is really cute, but it's kind of hard to open. So I'm gonna get my little scissors here and we are gonna open it up together. Let's see what we got in this month's bag. Can't wait to try on the lippies because my lips are dead. I feel totally dead. Oh my god, this is so cute. Okay, so this is what we got. This is what the little bag looks like for the month of November. So it's like a really nice turquoise silk color. And let's see what the collection is. The packaging is so cute. I love. Okay, so it looks like the theme is like tacos. Okay, so this is what the collection is. Here we go. I hope that you guys can see it. I am really liking this shade so far. That is the first one I am going to try on. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. Oh wow, it looks like it has like some shimmers. So it does have the really nice frosted bottle. These are all full size. It has the Liveglam logo, and then it has like the yellow little thing here. And this applicator is the best. I really love their applicators. Okay, so this one looks like it might be a gloss. I thought it was a matte lipstick, but it looks like it's glossy. So this one is in the name called Salsa. So we are gonna try Salsa on our lips. I did have some lip gloss on earlier, but it's almost all gone. So we're just gonna go ahead and go in with Salsa to see what it looks like. Okay, it has this really nice tint of color. It's like a natural lip shade, so I think it just enhances what my natural lip color shade is. Okay, so far so good. I'm really liking it. Okay guys, so this is what Salsa looks like on the lips, and it's nice and creamy and it feels so good on the lips. It's so hydrating. I actually really like this shade. It's like a really like sheer lip gloss. So I'm just gonna read a little bit more about Salsa. I'm loving it. I like how my lips look like super juicy. All right, so just a little bit more about Salsa here. So Salsa, this sheer peachy pink gloss is a classic and addicting as chips and salsa. One swipe of this irresistible shade and you will be hooked. Yes, I can highly agree. This is a really beautiful shade. I absolutely love it. So we are gonna go ahead and move on to the next shade. But before that, let me swatch it for you guys so you guys can kind of see what it looks like. So here is Salsa. This is what the first one looks like. Let's go ahead and move on to the next shade. Okay guys, so now we are gonna go ahead and try this one on. This is the next one in the collection. It's so super cute packaging. Love the theme. This one is in the name called Tacos for Life. Yes! Tacos are for life. Okay, so love the applicator. I always say that, but I really do. So this is the shade. Okay, this is what the shade looks like. Tacos for Life. It's really pretty. It looks like it's a matte shade, and we are gonna go ahead and try it on our lips to see what it looks like. Let's take off the lip gloss. And we are gonna throw Tacos for Life on the lips. This is a really pretty shade and I love the applicator, so let's go ahead and throw it on our lips now. Okay guys, and this is what the lip color looks like. I'm really loving this shade for fall. I just want to make sure I don't have it on my teeth. It's really pretty. I'm actually really liking it. It's really, yeah, it's just perfect for fall. It's like this nice, like a brick shade, I would say. This is what it looks like once it's dry. My lips are still wet, but it's nice and deep. It was nice and smooth when I was applying it, not patchy at all, which I really love. I am really liking this shade. Oh my God. Okay, so just to read a little bit more about Tacos for Life. So this one, it says, if your favorite day of the week is Taco Tuesday, then this burnt sienna matte shade is for you. Don't worry, you can eat all the tacos you want. This long-lasting lippy will not go anywhere. Okay, it is now drying down. We have one more shade to try on, which is this one right here. This one is going to be the last shade. This one is in the name Spicy, and this one looks like it's a nice red shade. Okay, so here's the applicator again, and let's swatch. Oh my God. Okay, I am loving this red shade. Love. Okay, so I'm excited for this red shade. I really like this one, but I'm really excited for this red shade, which is in the name Spicy. We're gonna go ahead and try Spicy on our lips right now, and we are gonna see which one is the favorite shade of the month. Oh, they're all kind of good, but I'm excited. Let's go ahead and try on Spicy. I didn't even realize that I had the lipstick on my teeth, so excuse me for that. But let's go in with a beautiful little Miss Spicy here. Oh, love the applicator. OMG. I'm loving how nice, thick, and creamy this is already. Oh my God. Okay, no lipstick on the teeth this time. I am low-key loving this one. I think this one's gonna be my favorite shade. I just love bright, bold colors. And this one's just giving it to me. I love this Spicy one. It was a nice, I don't know, like the consistency of this one versus the other one was a little bit different. This one was like a little bit thicker, and I would say a little bit more creamier. The other consistency was a little bit less thicker than this one. I don't know if it has to do because of the color, but I really love this shade. It's like a nice and a velvety red. Let me see, let me just read a little bit more about this shade. So this is what the collection is for this month, guys. It's so freaking gorgeous. It says, Feeling It Fantastico. That is so crazy. It's so cute. So this is the whole collection for November 2020. Let me get the whole collection, all three. It's a Fantastico. Okay, so here we go. This one is my favorite shade. It's actually the one that I have on my lips right now. I am really loving this bright, bold, spicy shade. So on here, it does describe a spicy as bring the heat with this deep, dazzling matte red. Hot sauce won't be the only thing looking caliente on your next fiesta. Oh my God, that's so cute. I feel like my teeth even look whiter, and they're not, and they're super yellow. Super cute. I absolutely love this collection for the month of November. So guys, I highly do suggest a Liveglam for you guys to go check out. I will be leaving my little referral link down below for you guys to go check out if you guys are interested in it. It does retail for like $19.99 or so, but they do send you 3 full-size lippies. And if you do not like a certain type of lippy, you can actually trade out the whole collection, or you could just trade out 1 or 2, whatever you want. Swap it with a different collection, different kind of lippy from the past. I am loving them. This one's my absolute favorite, so I will be leaving all the information down below for you guys to go check out. And that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hope to see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.